very good afternoon to all my children. How are you? All are fine? I hope you all are fine, safe at your home and doing your online session. You do your studies? Yes, very good. So you do your study on time and complete your notebooks for your exams. You prepare for your exam? Very good. So please do your homework on time and classwork on time. Are you ready for lecture video? Okay. So which period is going on? Look at the board. EVS period is going on. Today we will revise again festivals name. So are you ready for festivals? First you write down the heading. Festivals name. Festivals name. Festivals name. This is your heading. Write down the heading. Festivals name. Heading is festivals name. Festivals name. This is your revision part. So look at the board and make the name and draw the pictures of festivals. Okay. So on number 1, first we will make the picture of the festival and then write down the name. This is your 4 lines. Yes, all are knows. Now, on number 1, first you make the picture of what is this? Yes, this is Diya. Diya indicates which festival? Diwali. So write down the spelling of Diwali. You know the spelling of Diwali. Just once again we will revise the spelling of Diwali. D-I-W-A-L-I. Diwali. Diwali is a festival of Diya. So Diya indicate festival Diwali. Done. Then number 2. Number 2 is on number 2. What is this? This is Christmas tree. So write down the spelling of Christmas. What is the spelling of Christmas? C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. The spelling of Christmas is this. So you read the spelling. C-H-R-I-S-T-M-A-S. Christmas. Read the spelling. First is Diwali, then second is Christmas. Then number 3. What is the number 3? Look at the board and see the picture and write the name. On number 3, write down. Number 3 is this is water gun. This is water gun. Water gun indicate which festival? Yes, water gun indicate the festival of Holi. So write down the spelling of Holi. What is the spelling of Holi? H-O-L-I. Write all the 3 spellings. Complete. Then after number 3, write down number 4. Number 4, sign of the festival. Which festival is this? This is Guru Parv. Write down the spelling. G-U-R-U-P-A-R-V-A. So the spelling start from G, spelling start from H, C and D. So write all the spelling and see the first letter of the festival. See the first letter of the festival. See the first letter of the festival is Diwali. D for Diwali, C for Christmas, H for Holi and G for Guru Parv. So all are written, all the 4 number of festival. Then we will write next festivals. Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Guru Parv. Write fast all the names of festivals. The heading is festivals. Name. Festivals name. Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Guru Parv. Write fast all the names. Okay, so you written all the 4 names: Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Guru Parv. Now here is the board. Then write next festivals. So are you written? Please write fast all the names of festivals: Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Guru Parv. Okay, we have done Diwali, Christmas, Holi and Guru Parv. Written all of you. Now write next festivals are number 5. On number 5, the festival is number 5 festival is this is Rakhi. Rakhi indicates the festival of Raksha Bandhan. What is the spelling of Raksha Bandhan? R-A-K-S-H-A-B-A-N-D-H-A-N. Very long spelling. So you know about Raksha Bandhan start from R. Raksha Bandhan start from R. So are you clear? Rakhi for Raksha Bandhan and R for Raksha Bandhan. Then next, number 6. What is the number 6? Number 6 is this sign indicates which festival? Eid. Now what is the spelling of Eid? E-I-D. Now Eid starts from E. E for Eid and the sign of which festival? Eid festival. So make the sign of festival and write the name of the festival. All are written. After number 6, write down number 7. First we will make lines. Number 7 is okay. So this is the sign of Dashera. Ravan is the sign of Dashera. We will burn the Ravan. So write down the spelling of Dashera. What is the spelling of Dashera? Spelling of Dashera is D-U-S-S-H-E-R-A. Dashera. D for Dashera. So you learn first letter of the festival. You learn first letter of the festival. So how many festivals are there? 7 festivals are there. Diwali, D for Diwali, C for Christmas, H for Holi, G for Guru Parv, R for Raksha Bandhan, E for Eid and D for Dashera. Write down fast all the 7 names of festivals. All the 7 names of festivals. Write fast all the 7 names of festivals. Write fast. Okay, written all the names. Now we will start matching of the festivals. After this we will start matching of the festival like Here the picture of the festivals. Okay, so Diya, Rakhi, Eid and Ravan. Here we will make water gun. Water gun 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 festivals are there. Now here are the names of the festival. Don't make line. Here are the names of the festivals like Dussehra, Dushehra, then Holi, 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 then Rakhi, Rahi. Rakhi is also known as Raksha Bandhan, also known as Rakhi. So first letter of R, H and D. Then Eid, Diwali, and at last okay, done, complete. All the here the names of the festival and here the picture of the festival. Now you are matching to festival with their names. So are you ready for on number 1? Diya. Diya stands for Diwali. So we will match Diya to Diwali like this. The next is Rakhi. Rakhi indicate to Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan like Rakhi. So match Rakhi. Understand? Next is Eid. This sign indicates Eid festival. So we will match Eid to EID. Then Ravan is there. Ravan is indicate to the festival of Dussehra. Dussehra. And at last Holi. Water gun indicate to Holi. So this practice for your identify the festivals name. You identify this is Diwali festival, this is Raksha Bandhan festival, this is Eid festival, this is Dussehra festival and this is Holi. So write down the first letter of the festival. You see here write down the first letter of the festival. So you done in your notebook like here matching is there and here the first letter of the festival. What is the first letter of the festival? Capital D. You do yourself. This festival are for Raksha Bandhan. So write capital letter, first letter. This is Eid festival. So you write here EID. Write down capital E. Dussehra festival, you write down only D. D for Dussehra. This is Holi festival. So you write only H. H for Holi. D for Diwali. R for Raksha Bandhan. E for Eid. D for Dussehra and H for Holi. Like this. This festival. G for Guru Parva. Yes. And which is remain? All are done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One is remain. Which one is remain festival? Christmas. So this is also like first letter of the festival. C for Christmas. So are you done all the festivals and their first letter? This is your exercise. You know the first letter of the festival. Okay, so this period for your festivals name recognition. So this is complete. Now your lecture is complete. So bye bye and have a nice day. Bye.